Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm re-uploading my banana bread recipe because of some technical issues here on YouTube. So let me show you how to make this amazing, soft, delicious and moist banana bread. To start this recipe, I have in my bowl my 2 cups of flour. To that I'm adding salt and cake spice. If you cannot find cake spice, you can use some nutmeg and cinnamon and a pinch of clove. Next I'm going to go in with baking soda, and the baking soda is necessary. You do not want to omit it. It gives it a really nice, soft, moist, crumbly texture. Mix the dry ingredients and set aside, and in a separate bowl let's cream our brown sugar with our butter. You want your butter to be at room temperature so it creams faster. In goes your eggs, one at a time, and I'm going to be using 2 small eggs. Now once that comes together, let's add in the rest of our ingredients. In goes some mixed essence, some banana essence to bring out the banana flavor for the banana bread, and whole milk or full cream milk or carnation evaporated milk. 2 overripe bananas mashed, or you can use overripe plantains for this recipe also. Give that a mix to incorporate. And heavy cream works really well in this recipe also. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients and fold or mix in gently. You do not want to over mix this. You just want to mix it until it comes together, and you'll notice I'm doing this on a really low speed. Now at this point is where you'll add in raisins, nuts. If you wanted to put in some sliced almonds or even chocolate chip cookies, feel free to add it at this point. You can even fold in some coconut flakes or some pineapple. So gently mix that in, and once it's mixed in, you're going to pour it out into a loaf pan that's greased and floured. And you can see my son just hanging out with me watching what I'm doing. This will bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean and you'll notice the batter leaving the side of the pan. Once it's done, simply cool and enjoy, or you can eat it while it's hot. I hope you guys tried this recipe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Leave me in the comment section what next recipes you would like to see. If not by the end of this year, I promise into next year. Have a good one. Bye.